there have been certain strong steps which the media has done and shown to the people, and in spite of the pressure being faced from the big business house or from the government. For example, in the recent past, the media has been highlighting lots of the fact against the pesticide level in the colas. That is, it does not match according to the international standards, and the government has tried to resist this. The business houses have had their own interest, but the media has gone as far as declaring the levels and informing the people about the harmful effects of pesticides in the colas that you drink every day. So here the media has played an independent, vital and a very responsible role. But there are certain issues where the media always keeps sleeping. There are many problems in the country. For example, safe drinking water in the country, but the media is not at all interested in giving facts and figures about this problem, that is of drinking water. It looks to them that it's a very dry news, something that the people would not be interested in reading or in viewing. Here they are acting as an irresponsible media people. Here the media has acted as very irresponsible in their role. They have not given the news which is of utmost importance. A very famous journalist has given a beautiful example of a responsible and irresponsible working of the media. He gives us an example of Mumbai, where at the same time a fashion week was going on and the slum demolition drive was also going on. None of the newspapers or the TV channels showed anything about the slum demolition. Nobody was interested that the people are becoming as it is without houses. But all of them were very interested in the fashion week which was going on. Who is wearing what dresses, who is looking glamorous, who is looking pretty and so on. But those poor people who had become homeless were not the interest of the media. So here they have set up their own agendas, which news to be picked up, which news not to be given importance, and which news has to be ignored. That's the role of media, which tags them as irresponsible when they behave in this manner. But the conclusion of the chapter is that media yet is very powerful and very effective. It gives us all the news, provides us all the information of the country and the world. It has its own agendas definitely, wherein it gives us certain news as it is, certain with spices, certain not to be noticed, and so on. It sometimes gives us balanced and most of the time not a very balanced news. And of course, media is not at all independent. It is actually suppressed by many factors, whether it is the government or the business houses or the interest of creating interesting news. So, but we have to remember that the role of media still cannot be ignored. It still is effective and very powerful, but let's hope when we read the articles and view a news, we are actually getting the truth, the factual truth, and not anything which is actually forced on us because of the wishes of certain people. And that was all about your chapter. Thank you.